I've often been asked whether the keto diet is sustainable. Like, don't you get tired of the keto menu? And my standard reply is that the keto diet is the only diet that I've ever been able to stick to, and precisely because the menu is so varied and the food is so delicious. And what I really like is that the ingredients are usually natural, wholesome, healthy foods. Since I've been on the keto diet, I've been introduced to a whole new range of flavors and different types of food that I've never experienced before, and I just find it so exciting, and the variety is endless, so there's no need to get tired of the menu. In a moment I'm going to give you my 5 best keto recipes. But before I do, for those of you who are new to keto and would like to know a bit more about it, the video at the top of the screen is probably a good place to start. And if you'd like to view the full recipes, you can either click on the link at the top of the video during each clip, or you can scroll down to the description below the video and I'll leave some links there for you to get the recipes. So let's get on with it. Here are my 5 top keto recipes, and believe me, I had a lot of trouble choosing these 5 because there's just so many nice recipes. Those are my top 5 recipes, and believe you me, I had a lot of trouble choosing because there's so many nice recipes out there. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And we'd love to hear from you. If you have any comments or questions, please scroll down to the bottom to the comment section and leave us a message there. Thank you for watching.